Hey guys, we're here today and we're going to start taking this straight six out of this Mustang so we can get our 302 in here. We're going to start by taking these brackets off. We're taking the wires off and labeling what everything is. Like this is to the coil and the oil pressure. We're going to take our coil off down here. We're going to take this fuel pump off because I think we can use it. We're going to take that alternator off. We're going to get it out of here so we can get to work. Come on. What the heck? Hey guys, we're back. We just got back from our local O'Reilly's. Some good old guys down there. Good old guys. We got us some parts here. That's for our fan. For the fan. Look at this. Those guys talked me into doing this instead of the Holly, and that is going to look absolutely gorgeous. So what do you think? Let us know. We're going to box this back up. Let's get back to work painting this thing and get this straight six out tonight. We're going to try to get this thing painted up because we're getting close to getting this straight six out of here and getting this thing set inside this thing. So we'll see you later and we'll show you what it looks like all together. Guys, we're back. We're going to try tonight to get this motor out. We're sick of this straight six in here. But you know guys, it's a good motor, so you need to hit us up and buy it. Put it in your old vehicle, truck, Mustang. If you want to go to a straight inline six original, just hit us up and let us know. Well, we're starting to take off like the cool because we're going to use it for that motor, the oil pressure gauge. We're draining the radiator right now so we can get it out, start unhooking all these hoses, and then we're going to start dropping the transmission bracket in the back, motor mounts,
and then we can get this thing out of here.
Get this baby out of here.
I'm ready for it.
Me too. It's a mess though.
Yeah. So what is that?
That is the fuel line from the gas tank.
So the fuel pump is no longer connected to the line.
No, we need to put a bolt on that. Alright guys, we're going to cut this muffler off here because we're getting ready to take the transmission bolts and all that off so we can get this motor out. It's starting to come along, guys. So let's see if this saw works. I hadn't used it in about 5 years. Pretty as you please, baby. Is that the real size? All right, guys, look at this. Look at Hunter's ingenuity here. We're going to get us a head mount, but right now, hey, we rednecked it. Guys, well, we got this thing out. Looky there. We're going to clean this up and paint all this and get it ready for that motor to go in here. Look at this. Anyone, if you're interested, transmission and all, we're going to sell it all together. We'll make you a good deal. So yell at us, comment, ask us. We'll get a hold of you and we'll give you a good deal on it. So here we go. Next step. Hey YouTube, well, this is Price Kustoms. I'm coming to you, and I know that we're living in a time where it's crazy and everyone's scared. But you know what? The best thing to do for this time is subscribe to our channel and watch it. I appreciate you. See you later.